Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is related mirror formula. Now we are aware regarding concave mirror, plane mirror as well as convex mirror. Now there is a formula which is held by convex mirror as well as concave mirror. So what is this formula? It is simply mirror formula is a relationship. It is a relationship between between object distance. These are object distance, image distance, and focal length. Focal length of mirror. Object distance, which is denoted by u. Image distance, which is denoted by v, and focal length, which is denoted by f. So there is a relation between the three. For a concave mirror, for a convex mirror, there is a relation between the three. And once we are having a relation between the three, that relation is called as simply the mirror formula. And what is that relation? The relation is like this: 1 by object distance plus 1 by image distance equals to 1 by focal length. So I can put this relation 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 1 by f, and this is the relation. This is known as the mirror formula. What is mirror formula? Mirror formula is simply the relationship between the focal length, which is f of the mirror, the object distance, which is denoted by u, and the image distance, which is denoted by v. You can denote by any other variables, but generally these are denoted by u, v, and f. So we are going to denote it by u, v, and f. So the relationship between the object distance, the image distance, and focal length of a mirror is known as mirror formula. This mirror formula is held good by both. It holds for both mirrors, both concave and convex mirror. Now after mirror formula, we should be now having knowledge regarding magnification. What is magnification? Magnification, or which is also called as linear magnification, oblique linear magnification. या lateral magnification भी इसको बोलते हैं. So what is this magnification? Now we are aware of the size of image as well as the size of object. Whether we have read the images in case of the concave mirror or in case of convex mirror, we were aware of the fact that how the image, sometimes the image is smaller and sometimes the image is bigger as compared to the object. So this magnification simply is defined as the the ratio of size of image to the size of object. The ratio of size of image to the size of object produced by a mirror. and is denoted by m. So we can put this m or linear magnification, it is denoted by m, equals to size of image by size of object. If we are having size of image represented as hi, I बोले तो image, and if we are having the size of object as ho, as this is a size maybe in centimeters, this is also in centimeters, so it's not having any unit, so we can put simply magnification m equals to hi by ho, and is also given as minus v by u, where now you are aware what is v. V is the image distance from pole, and u is the distance of object from the pole, as we have read earlier. Mirror formula where you have placed u is the distance, object distance I have placed. What do you mean by object distance of object from the pole. What do you mean by v? Distance of image from the pole of the mirror. And focal length u, as you are aware, distance from pole up to the focus, that is called as focal length. The same is the case here, so we can put this very magnification as like this: m equals to hi by ho equals to minus v by u, where v is the image distance, where from pole up to the image, u is the object distance from pole up to the object. So this is the relationship between magnification. This magnification doesn't, it is a unitless quantity, unitless quantity, because it is the ratio between two similar quantity, distance by distance, that doesn't have any unit, it's a pure number. So this magnification is of two types. One is known as the positive magnification, and another is known as the negative magnification. What is positive magnification? Positive magnification simply means when object and image, both are upright, or what you have to understand, magnification is said to be as positive when image formed is virtual one. Positive magnification is that very magnification when the image formed is a virtual one, and negative magnification is the magnification when image formed by mirror is real and inverted. That is known as negative magnification. So you have to remember here, concave mirror gives both magnification, positive as well as negative. But once we are having the convex mirror, that is having only one magnification, and that is positive magnification. Concave mirror use both types of magnification, positive as well as negative, but the convex always forms positive magnification. So magnification is defined as the ratio of size of image to the size of object. This can be simply, once it is greater than 1, that means once this m is greater than 1, if it's greater than 1, that means image is magnified. If it is less than 1, that means image is diminished. You have to remember this. If this m comes out to be greater than 1, that means magnified. If it is less than 1, that means diminished. This is all for today. Tomorrow we will have some numericals related to this very topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.